Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a spare tire from a Toyota Land Cruiser. First, park your vehicle on a flat, stable surface, ensuring it's safe to work underneath. Gather your tools, including the jack, lug wrench, and the spare tire lowering tool, usually found with your vehicle's toolkit. Locate the spare tire, typically mounted underneath the rear of the Land Cruiser, ready for the next step. Next, you'll need to access the spare tire lowering mechanism. This is usually found at the rear of the vehicle, often through a slot in the bumper or a covered opening. Assemble the multi-part crank handle tool from your toolkit. Insert the hooked end of the tool into the winch mechanism and turn it counterclockwise. This action will slowly lower the spare tire from its underbody storage. Once the spare tire touches the ground, continue turning the lowering tool until the cable is completely slack. This ensures the retaining plate or hook can be easily maneuvered. Reach under the vehicle and unhook the retaining mechanism from the center of the spare tire. It often involves rotating a hook or plate sideways to release it. With the retainer free, you can now carefully slide the spare tire out from under your Land Cruiser. Always prioritize your safety when working with vehicles. Use wheel chocks and engage the parking brake. After removing the spare, consider its condition. If it's damaged, get it repaired or replaced promptly. Store the removed tire securely, perhaps in your garage, if you're not immediately replacing it. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals to make your life easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.